Well, when the lights hang low and I lay down and close my eyes, I see colors and spinning wheels. I hear a language I don't understand. I see people I've not seen for years. I hold a magic in my hands. I sing songs that I never write, 'cause they go on by the morning light. Oh, won't you please let me dream a while?
Well, ladies and gentlemen, the all-new Jeep Wrangler Sahara. Now, Wrangler is recognized worldwide for its iconic design, and this modern interpretation holds true to Wrangler's unmistakable style while providing a fresh, modern take on the sculptured lines and rugged stance that define this Jeep. Now, I can't think of a more functional and purposeful design than Wrangler's, and it just makes sense. The original Jeep was a direct response to military-grade specs that emphasized durability, capability, utility, and overall efficiency. That original sense of purpose is what drove the first design, and it's evident throughout the all-new Wrangler. Now, they say beauty is in the eye of the beholder, and I can tell you that this is what gorgeous looks like to someone who's facing uncharted terrain. The profile is unmistakable. With its angular roofline, muscular fenders, high stance and short overhangs, you can expect to see this silhouette perched on a cliff out in the desert. Now, in front, the 7-stop Keystone grille is slightly raked. Now, this contributes to an overall improvement in error of efficiency of 9%. But, as you can see, it's still instantly recognizable. Round headlamps provide distinctive Wrangler character, while available LED headlamps and fog lamps offer crisp white lighting. And how about this unique windscreen? Designed with a clear purpose to be different. Now, this design has been modified to help it fold down quickly and easily while leaving the rear view mirror in place. New lightweight, high-strength aluminum doors are easy to remove and replace, and they now come with bigger windows for better outward visibility. The rear design completes Wrangler's iconic look. Aerodynamics are improved here as well, and that's thanks to rounded roof edges and an integrated spoiler. The lightweight magnesium swing gate opens wide to accommodate bulky cargo. And just inside, we've placed a stamped metal plate which posts important vehicle specs, just as on the original Willys vehicle. For even better overhead panoramic visibility, Wrangler offers a catalogue of open-air combinations. The all-new Sky Power Top fully retracts the canvas roof with the push of a button, and it can do that even at speeds of up to 60 miles an hour. And with 2 options for hard tops, plus the premium Sunrider soft top, which, by the way, has been improved with clock springs to make it a snap to use, the options for open-air freedom are more than ever. Now, inside, Wrangler's quiet, sophisticated interior is defined by sculptured forms, signature design elements, high-quality materials, and state-of-the-art technology. Wrangler Sport, Sahara, and Rubicon models each have their own specific styling cues, reflected in the choice of materials, trims, and stitching accents. Everything in the driver's cockpit, from the new steering wheel to the reconfigurable instrument cluster, is designed for intuitive use. The redesigned center console integrates basic functions to keep everything within easy reach, and that includes a new media center, which houses charging and connectivity points. Now, as you might expect in a vehicle that invites open-air driving, we've incorporated a number of clever and secure storage solutions for keeping personal items handy or out of sight when you need to. And as you can see, the all-new Wrangler is true to its purposeful design inside and out. But our Go Anywhere heritage demands that we continuously push for innovations that frankly could not have been considered all those decades ago. For Wrangler owners, the urge to get back to nature does not require leaving civilization behind. In fact, today, when pursuing adventure, connectivity is more important than ever. And that's why we've added 2 systems with 4th generation Uconnect advanced technology. They're super easy to use, with enhanced processing power, faster startup times, and touch screens that display high-resolution graphics. Now, both systems are compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless integration of any phone app. Now, technology also brings heightened levels of safety and security, which was a paramount consideration in the new design. The all-new Wrangler offers more than 75 available active and passive safety features, which include blind spot monitoring, rear cross-path detection, standard park view rear backup camera, and dynamic grid lines. And, as you can see from the list behind me, the number of safety systems is extensive. Okay, thus far, we've covered a variety of features that reveal the purposeful nature of the Jeep Wrangler. But we've saved the best details for last, and that is capability. Now, as you know, every Wrangler is trail rated, but to show you how we deliver extreme capability, let me welcome to the stage 2 more models in the all-new Wrangler lineup.